This is Frankie McDowell, my own TV station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Major windstorm is headed towards Oregon on Thursday, December 11th, 2014. Winds are going to be very strong, especially in Portland, Oregon, and its surrounding areas, including Salem, Oregon, and Medford, Oregon, and the surrounding areas as well. And winds going to gust up to well over 100 kilometers per hour, which is over 50 miles per hour in Portland, Oregon, and the surrounding areas. It's going to be very strong winds. Doesn't matter if it's heavy or light rain or a little bit of rain. That can knock out power, and it may bring some tree branches down. It may snap the tree branches on the ground in Portland, Oregon, and the surrounding areas. Winds are going to be very strong in Portland, Oregon as well. Since a powerful low pressure system is headed towards off the coast of the state of Oregon, there will be big waves crashing along the shores of Oregon on Thursday, December 11th, 2014. The winds are going to be real strong in the state of Oregon, especially in Portland, Oregon. It may bring some power lines down and snap the telephone poles in half as well. People in Oregon, be prepared. Have your flashlights ready. Have your candles ready. Have your crank-up radio ready. Have your generators ready. Have your extra batteries ready. Have your battery-operated lanterns ready as well. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food. Buy cases of Pepsi. Buy cases of Coke. Have your iPads charged. Have your iPods charged. Have your cell phones charged. Have your laptops charged. Have your tablets charged. Have your 3G, 4G net ready. And powerful winds may knock out power in the state of Oregon, especially in Portland, Oregon, and Medford, Oregon as well. Since winds will be gusting up to well over 100 kilometers per hour in the state of Oregon, especially in Portland as well. Stay away from the beaches and don't go near the shores because waves will be very big. Surf will be very rough in the west coast of Oregon as well. If anybody living in Oregon, be prepared for a powerful windstorm on Thursday, December 11th, 2014. Best luck to you, people in Oregon. Be prepared for a powerful windstorm on Thursday. Take care, stay safe. And don't get caught in a powerful storm with high winds. Stay safe.